cord that is. This side's not tapered. This side is tapered.
This is your bottoming bullet. It's held in place with a little snap ring and it's press peened into place. You can pause, take a look, check that out. In order to remove the damper rod, this needs to be taken off. What we're going to use is an axle and a 13mm socket, and we're going to tap right through that peen. This right here is clamped in our 10mm damper rod clamp, and he's going to tap it, and it pops right off. The first piece that we're going to machine down out of the 3 is this spring guide. We need to make sure that we are machining down the flat side, not the tapered side. And we're going to be doing everything by 12.3 millimeters, making sure that everything is cleaned up, there's no burring anywhere. The next thing we're going to do is a new snap ring spot for your bottoming bullet. We're going to go 12.3 millimeters closer to the threads that the spring guide threads onto, which is going to be 12.3 millimeters away from the mid valve that you just installed. We're going to clean that up here. Next, we're going to go for the lower chrome tube. What we have here is a special tool that we handmade that attaches to the cartridge so that we can put this in the lathe. And while we are putting this in the lathe, we're going to go ahead and take the time to polish these chrome tubes up, get some 600 or 800 grit sandpaper, polish it down, and then we're going to put some cutting oil on it, spin it, and part this piece off here. You can see all that extra material that isn't needed because the bushing does not meet there, so that's 12.3 millimeters off there. Easier way to do this, if you don't have nice tooling for your lathe, is to take a hacksaw and part it from there after you get your initial line in at 12.3 millimeters. But as you can see here, it's going to pop right off, and there it goes. So that's 12.3 millimeters on the spring guide, 12.3 millimeters on the snap ring location, and 12.3 millimeters off of this lower chrome tube. And we're going to clean all that up with a real rough file because that stuff is hard.
I'm going to tap it with a hammer and tap it in. Then loosen it, drop it right to the same spot, like so. A rag.
Okay, I see the taper.
Taper goes on that, like so. This goes on here like so. Spinning.
When the cartridge starts spinning here, we're going to do one of two things. We're either going to use that 4-pronged cartridge holding tool or do the same trick we did to remove the cartridge, which is put the spring in and put some tension on that base valve. While it's in the vise here, it's a great time to adjust your low speed and high speed settings before you put the oil in. We're going to adjust the low speed, which is a small flathead brass adjuster, to 2.5 turns out from all the way in clockwise, and the high speed is the 6 millimeter hex adjuster inside. It's green, and we're going to go all the way out on that and 1 turn in. An adjustment guide for this can be found on our website under the factory installed Gobbler Pro T7. On the right hand side, there's a drop down menu that says customer reviews and adjustable T7 revalve gobblers, and you can see all of our settings in there.
get the impact and just hold it on there for like a minute.
Yeah.